taking a video of you. 1 second. There you go. Who is it, Nina?
She looks like a little, I don't know, little old man or something.
She still has the old man cut. Hooray!
You playing with your food again, Lola?
Oh. Okay.
Lola, no. What's Daddy doing to her? Lola. She's blowing bubbles.
She is?